These bins might be the most useful thing Dollar Tree sells. Once I got four of them home, I took the stickers off the fronts and then checked out these rails on the tops and the sides. The rails actually allow them to interlock together so that they can stack like this. With all of my bins connected, I grabbed one of these clear adhesive mounting strips and cut it in half, putting one half on each of the bins. And that was pretty much it. I took it upstairs to my bathroom where I pressed it against my bathroom mirror. After loading it up with some bathroom essentials, this became the quickest and easiest bathroom organizer I've ever made. It keeps all my essentials within reach, and I really don't think you could beat it at just $5 from Dollar Tree.
To start this project, take a paper towel holder and some zip ties from Dollar Tree. Loop the zip ties around the paper towel stand one by one, evenly spaced and secure in place. Go all the way up the stand with zip ties. Take scissors and cut off the excess of the zip tie. Use a mini hot glue gun to add little dots of hot glue to make sure the zip ties stay in place. Cover the entire stand with gold spray paint and allow plenty of time to dry between coats. When the stand has dried, place it in your desired location and use it as easy storage. For project 2, take a clear adhesive hook from Dollar Tree and a paper towel holder. Add toilet paper rolls and you have easy and inexpensive toilet paper storage. Place scrunchies and hair ties over the top and you have an easy and cheap storage solution.
Clear your cluttered counter for good. Start by painting 4 wood dowels using black paint. Grab a circular wooden piece, which is also available at the dollar store, and spread glue all over one half of the wood circle. Then attach one of the mirrors. Attach a candle holder to the wood round beside the mirror. Add glue to secure the first painted wood dowel to the mirror. Then secure the remaining dowels. Place glue along the top edges of the candle holder and place the second mirror on it. Now you have a tiered bathroom organizer for all your everyday products.
Make a trip to Dollar Tree and grab 2 of these paper towel holders, 2 small baskets, and a pack of these mini cable ties. Start by attaching your first basket in between the 2 paper towel holders. You'll use the mini cable ties to connect each side of the basket to the holders in 2 different spots per side. We're going to angle the basket slightly downward and elevate the back edge by tightening the ties so that it's tipped forward a bit. Now repeat the same process with your second basket. And just like that, you've got a functional, stylish, and budget-friendly tiered organizer with such little effort. Add it to your kitchen counter or on a shelf in your pantry to organize grab-and-go snacks or fresh produce so it's easy for the whole family to grab. You could use this organizer to corral hair accessories like headbands and hair bows on top of a dresser, or put it on the bathroom counter to store rolled up hand towels and washcloths. You could also use it to keep all of your makeup and skincare products within easy reach on the counter. Fill it up with your kids' art supplies on top of their desk, or put it on your own desk and load it up with your favorite office supplies like pens, highlighters, and sticky notes. You could also add this to an entryway table and use it as a catch-all for emptying out your pockets and putting your keys, sunglasses, cash, and more all in one place so they don't go missing.
I'm using 1 large piece of foam core from Dollar Tree and cutting it to size into 2 smaller pieces. I'm using each foam core sheet to create a guide to cut my peel and stick wallpaper to size. Next, I'm going to use a squeegee that I use for vinyl and 2 sheets of peel and stick wallpaper with an Art Deco geometric design from Dollar Tree to apply directly to the foam core board. Once applied, just making sure that it's completely smooth with the squeegee and bubble free. Next, I'm using 2 gold paper trays from Dollar Tree, a hot glue gun, and my 2 wallpaper covered sheets of foam core to glue to the bottom of each tray. I'm doing little dots of hot glue in and around the wire base and then placing the foam core on top and then filling in any gaps. Using antique gold rub and buff with a rag, I'm applying the rub and buff all over the wood pieces. I want it to be completely covered. I'm allowing plenty of time for the gold to dry before taking my hot glue gun and gluing the cubes on either side of the wood dowels. You can also use E6000 for this step. Now it's time to assemble this whole project together. I'm using my hot glue gun to attach one side of the wood dowels to one of the gold trays on the top. Allow for plenty of dry time before attaching the other side of the dowels to the underside of the other gold tray. From there, we are going to place this in my home to use as storage. This is a really inexpensive DIY project and is perfect for bathroom storage, and it's very easy to make. I hope this inspired you to try this Dollar Tree basket tiered tray organizer. It's an easy and organizational project on a budget, and it doesn't look like it's on a budget.
Next time you're at Dollar Tree, browse their wire basket section and pick up some of their gold rectangle baskets, the small ones and the large, a few of the circle ones, then as well scoop up some of the white wire baskets and head over to the kitchen section and grab yourself a paper towel holder. For my first project, I'm going to take the paper towel holder as well as 2 of their white round baskets. Then I'm going to take the paper towel holder and place it on the bottom like you see here, just so that I can find the middle of the paper towel holder and then cut out the wire basket just in the middle. You want to make sure that it's directly in the middle so that your basket sits straight. You're going to slide it over top of the wire holder, and then you're going to secure it in place with some zip ties at the bottom. Once you have this first basket on the bottom tight and secure, you're next going to take your second wire basket and you're going to line it up on the bottom again and cut out the middle portion of the wire basket. And again, making sure it's directly in the middle so your basket sits straight. You're going to place it on your paper towel holder and put it at your desired height, and then you're going to place some zip ties around the paper towel holder to give it a little bit of a ledge to sit on. So I've used about 4 zip ties here and placed them in place like you see. Then you're going to come in with some E6000 and you're going to secure it all around the zip ties to give it extra security. You're going to let that set for at least 12 to 24 hours, and then you can spray paint it your favorite color. I chose a nice gold here, and I'm using it in my bathroom to store lotions and sprays.
Grab small glass jars in wood cube blocks from the Dollar Tree. Remove wood block cubes from the packaging and adhere the blocks together in rows. Adhere all the rows together. Glue a stack of 4 wood block cubes together and adhere close to the edge and attach another set of wood blocks that will be used as a handle. Create some labels using a Cricut or a cutting machine. Now you have a modern, stylish set of bathroom canister glass jars with labels and wood lids. I hope this inspires you to create your own bathroom decor using wood blocks and glass jars from the Dollar Tree.